Hi everyone, my name is Bindu. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about an issue in Power BI. If you are a beginner level Power BI developer, then sometimes you might see blank values in the filters, in one filter or multiple filters, and you might not know what the issue is and how to fix that issue. So this video talks about that issue and we'll see how to fix that blank value issue, how to not have that blank value in the filters. So without any delay, let's get started.
If you look at my screen here, I created this very simple Power BI report, and in this report I want to visualize the names of all the customers who purchased any product. Whatever the customer had purchased, I want to show it in this report. I want to show his or her name in this report and the amount that the person spent to purchase that item. Okay, so here I have the name of the customer and the amount that person has spent to purchase the product. And if you look at the filter here, this filter it is just filtering by the customer IDs. Okay, and in the customer IDs I have a blank value here, and the question is, why do I have this blank value? To fix this issue, to take off the blank from this filter, we need to identify why do we have this blank in the first place. Okay, so let's go and look at the data here. Okay, so if you look at the data, there are 4 customers in the customer data set, and if you look at the sales data set, you have 5 records. Okay, and in the sales data set you have the customer ID 5, and this customer ID, that person doesn't exist in customer data set. So we have an issue in the source itself. Okay, so if we have to fix this issue from wherever you are getting the source, whatever the source is, you need to fix the data in the source. That's the only fix for this blank value. So now let's try to add that ID 5 in customer data set. So my source for customer data set is this Excel. So I'm just adding some name here. I'm adding as Bindu, and email ID I'm giving it as bindu@xys.com. Saving it, and now I'm just refreshing the customer data set. Okay, so now when I refresh the customer data set, I got a record with ID 5. Now let's go back to the report and see. And if you look at the table here, the customer with name Bindu is in the list now. Previously it was not in the list. And if you look at the filters here, you don't have that blank value anymore, and you have all the IDs that are there in the customer data set. So this is how you fix the blank value.
In this example, we had very limited number of rows in the data sets. That's very unusual in the real time. So if you have more number of rows in your tables, to find this blank value, what you could do is, you can, if your data source is Excel data source, you can compare the data, you can compare the IDs in the Excel itself, or you can load the data into some database and try to do the outer joins and find the missing values there. Or if your if your source is a database, then you can directly go ahead and find the missing values using outer joins. I hope you learned something new today, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.